Student, how are you? This lesson is for class map reading skills. The subtopic is globes and map. Let's start. Put your finger on your books and listen carefully. A globe is a map. The earth is spherical like a ball, not round and flat like a coin. A globe is a model of the earth and it also kind of map. You can see the whole world on a globe. As you turn in round, you can see all the continents and oceans. Globes come in different sizes. A map is a drawing of places on the earth seen from directly above. Maps are not round like globes. The content of maps varies. A map can show the whole world with all the continents and oceans, or it can show only one country or even only one town and village. Look at the world maps on pages 1 and 21. Do they show all of these continents and oceans? Continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Oceania, Australia and nearby island Antarctica.
Oceans: the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean.
How are globes and maps different? The main difference between using a globe and using a map is that you have to turn the globe in order to see the different parts of the earth. But on a map of the world, you can see every country of the same time. Only a map peeled from a globe can show you the whole world at once.